Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is April 15th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Albertsons. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Albertsons has just released their fourth quarter and full year results for fiscal 2024, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Albertsons reported net sales of $18.8 billion for the fourth quarter, with identical sales up by 2.3%. Digital sales also saw a significant increase. John, what does this tell us about Albertsons' performance?
These figures indicate a solid performance, especially in the digital space, with a 24% growth. The increase in identical sales suggests that Albertsons is effectively retaining and attracting customers, which is crucial in the competitive retail market. Moreover, the adjusted EPS of 46 cents beat the forecast of 38 cents, which is a positive surprise for investors.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite the positive sales growth, Albertsons' gross margin decreased to 27.4%. Can you explain the factors behind this, John?
The decrease in gross margin is primarily due to the strong growth in pharmacy sales, which typically have lower margins, and increased costs related to digital sales. However, Albertsons has managed to keep selling and administrative expenses stable at 25.7% of revenue, which is a testament to their operational efficiencies.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Albertsons in fiscal 2025?
Albertsons is projecting identical sales growth between 1.5% and 2.5%, and adjusted EBITDA between $3.8 billion and $3.9 billion. They are focusing on investments in their digital platforms and expect to see growth consistent with their long-term goals starting fiscal 2026.
Strategic initiatives and leadership transition. Albertsons is undergoing a leadership transition with Susan Morris taking over as CEO. How might this impact their strategic direction?
Susan Morris is expected to continue the Customers for Life strategy, which focuses on customer engagement and digital growth. The leadership change is happening at a pivotal time, but with a clear strategy in place, the transition should be smooth. Additionally, the 25% increase in dividends and the share repurchase program reflect confidence in their financial stability and commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Financial health and capital allocation. John, let's talk about Albertsons' financial health. They reported capital expenditures of $1.93 billion and opened 11 new stores. How does this align with their growth strategy?
Albertsons is investing heavily in store remodels and digital platforms, which are crucial for enhancing customer experience and driving sales. The issuance of $600 million in senior notes to refinance existing debt is a strategic move to manage their financial obligations effectively. Their strong cash flow from operations, at $2.68 billion, provides a solid foundation for these investments.
Key takeaways. In summary, Albertsons has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter, with significant growth in digital sales and a positive outlook for the future. John, any final thoughts on Albertsons as an investment?
Albertsons is well positioned for growth, with its strategic investments and leadership transition. The company's focus on digital expansion and customer engagement, along with its solid financial health, make it an attractive option for investors looking for stability and growth potential.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Albertsons' performance in the comments below.